2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Remember, Shadowwind, I need you to go in and grab the bomb bag when they drop.
Bomb bag.
Bomb bag right.
Bomb bag.
Only need 2 bombs. Green side's closed. Alright, we can cleave down Feldspar. Let's switch to the Slag Elemental, please. It's already on the Primal Elementalist. Remember, guys, need to kill that Elementalist in one go.
Let's go.
Fire collars are down. Don't be standing so close to each other with volatile fires. Let's get the next fixate that's on Tanis to perfect. Looks good. Volatile fires spread out.
I'm gonna pull those guards a little further away. On skull.
Fire collars down. Triangles marked.
Get this.
Oh, we gotta kill this leg again.
Yep, kill it.
Get that next slag over to the next one.
That's on Tanis. He's
And I'm
got
on
one.
it.
He's got it.
Our colors are up top.
Yeah, I marked triangle already. Just also trying to heal.
Let's go.
Spread for volatile fire.
Need another
It's
elemental
down.
on the.
It's just died.
Fire collar just got cauterized off.
They're only healing themselves. Slag is on the thing. All on skull.
New fire collars are down. I'm going to be marking myself with a giant yellow star. Please be sure to remember to join me once we hit the next
There's
phase.
a low health slag elemental. On country. I got it.
Fire collars are up again.
Phase change in 30%. 15. Dead.
Range, clean all that shit up and get back here by the heat shield. Tanks, make sure you're not too far out there. We need to have range on you. That's about perfect, Tim. Let's start there. Drop those melts as far back as you get them. No bad melts. Country, go.
I'm off, Caleb. Counting 3, 2, 1. Move.
Keep dropping melts back here, guys. You got 2 B-reses, make sure to only use them for tanks. Here on out.
Trying to drop the melt away and I died.
I need to cool down.
Surely got cooked. Res Magai right now. Full buffs on
Tonic.
Magai.
Tonic.
Move him.
Res me.
Res Magai again.
I'm dead.
Oh, Shirley's dead too. We have no res.
Move forward.
Hey, that 8%. Y'all got this.
Move him, move him. Thank you.
Cool down, Caleb.
Double sack on Kalu.
Get away from me, please.
Move him. There's one dropped in melee. Alright. Not